Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Dollar General account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Dollar General account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address dollargeneral.com and don't enter. And after that you'll be directed to the home page of Dollar General. So let's wait for it. Now, in order to log into your Dollar General account, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's the sign in button available for us. Click on that sign in button, and this drop down menu will appear, or you can click on the sign in over here. And guys, you can see this is the login panel of the Dollar General. Now, in order to log into your account, either you'll be required to enter your email address or your phone number with which you had signed up for a Dollar General account. I'll be proceeding with my Gmail account, guys, and after enter your password over here. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to reset your Dollar General account's password by giving some credentials. And that being said, guys, after entering your email address and the password, simply click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Dollar General account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.